Hey man, how you doing? Hey, what do you think about the new Trio?
It's the seamless synergy of design and utility that I didn't know I needed. But now, I can't live without it.
Okay, yeah, we fed him those slangs.
But he's not wrong. We did fix everything.
The last trio had a lot going for it, but we also heard what people didn't love.
So we improved it. Every bit of it.
The build was too bulky.
Now it's lighter, slimmer, and it feels solid. It feels real solid.
Cable management was a mess.
Now we have hidden cable routing with one cable setup for Mac and Windows.
No more dongles or adapters, just plug in and go.
Now we have two options, the Full HD and the QHD. So no matter you're replying to emails or editing videos, it always looks great.
Real green.
You know that's not helping, right? You're messing up with the algorithm.
The screen size is now 14 inches.
It's the size that works for most people, which allows us to focus on the quality.
It's got a built-in kickstand system, so you could use it completely freestanding.
Or attach it magnetically if that's your setup.
We also designed it to travel well, so it fits right into your laptop sleeve.
And you don't have to baby it. This thing is built to last. Even on a long work day, it stays cool.
No fans, no noise, just clean performance. And don't worry, it still has presentation mode.
The all-new Trio 3 and 3 Pro. Available now on Kickstarters.
Kickstarters. You almost had.